What if blockchain wasn't just one chain, but all chains? Well, that's exactly what Solana co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko is proposing. A new layer that sits above the blockchain ecosystem. He calls it a meta blockchain, and it's one of the boldest data availability ideas we at Bitcoin.com have heard yet. So what is it? Well, Yakovenko envisions a system that aggregates block data from multiple chains like Solana, Ethereum, and Celestia, and merges them into a single unified order. His goal, to make on-chain data storage radically cheaper and more flexible. Here's how it works. Post data wherever it's cheapest. Solana, Ethereum, Celestia, it doesn't matter. Then a deterministic rule merges blocks from each chain into a global order. And the result? Better finality, cheaper costs, and more decentralization. Okay, so why does this matter? Well, storing data on-chain is expensive, and it's getting more expensive as block space demand rises. For projects dealing with massive data sets, data availability is a bottleneck. As Yakovenko puts it, quote, making data availability cheap allows for making everything else cheap. Bandwidth is the irreducible bottleneck, end quote. So instead of picking one chain, developers could tap into all of them, dynamically choosing the most cost-effective data layer at any moment. This turns bandwidth into a commodity and chains into modular components of a bigger machine. It also introduces powerful new trade-offs: speed versus cost, finality versus flexibility, centralization versus decentralization. And Yakovenko isn't just speculating, he's already suggesting ways to make it happen. One idea is a meta transaction structure where every transaction includes the latest block headers from other chains. So if you post on Solana, your transaction would include Ethereum and Celestia headers too. This idea could redefine how rollups, data availability layers, and layer ones all interact. It could be the glue that lets modular blockchains actually work together. But it raises big questions. Who controls the merge rules? What happens when chains disagree? And will this make crypto more composable or more fragile? One thing's clear. If blockchains are going modular, this could be the blueprint. So is Yakovenko just theory crafting, or is he laying the foundation for next generation internet layer? Light me up in the comments and follow for more Big Vision crypto breakdowns every week.